gotta cook it, man.
Kyle, kick a freestyle, use the word.
What's good, y'all? We back at the beach with the squad, you feel me? We got
Food. We in this bitch weren't playing. What? We could have said that. Oh, I'm about to get this bitch. Look at the man. That. All right. Toe, kick a freestyle. Use the word bike.
You know, I went on the bike,
Right.
I went on a hike
Hey.
to Mike, and like, yeah.
Jelani, kick a freestyle real quick.
Freestyle.
Use the word umbrella.
Umbrella.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
We in the umbrella.
You can be in an umbrella?
I said we in the umbrella.
with that. Yo,
We
Josh,
under
Oh, under an umbrella. Okay. Okay, cool.
I see you at the store.
Right.
You ain't even know.
He didn't know.
I didn't know.
He did.
Damn, he did. And that's all I gotta say.
Yeah.
Freestyle the ball.
Okay, I just bought a ball.
Huh?
I ain't very tall.
Huh?
But every
That's
time
true.
I
That's
go
true.
to
You
the
know that one.
bathroom
Uh,
take a shit.
take a lick
Hit a lick.
Take a lick or what, nigga?
of
Shit.
Shit.
all right, y'all, but we at the beach, man. We got Evan. Yo, just take it down. You know what I'm saying? The gang. Looks like that. And we got
Fuck my blanket, nigga. Lonnie.
me.
Y'all didn't
We back. Doc Wheeler Beach. Doc Wheeler Beach. We finna grill some chicken. We right beside LAX too. Like LAX is right here. I'll show y'all the planes when they take off. Right there. Ooh. Told you. We right beside LAX. But this is the fit right here. You know. You feel me? And we finally at the beach, man. Copyright. Left hand. That was my left hand too. It feels so beautiful out here. Damn. The beach art. Let's go. That was so bad. I like this beach. I ain't been to this one yet, but there goes J-Dot. Damn. Almost caught that.
Bike to spare if y'all want to just beach and bike ride.
Ooh.
This shit is fun, bro.
I have a bike.
I never
You got a
tried it.
bike, he got a bike, I got a bike, and then I got my mom and dad bike. That's 1 and 2. Yeah, we can do that one day.
Okay. Renting a bike next time. Look at this beautiful.
But biking on like Venice, see all the people.
I saw black people like, I saw black people. They was lit. They was like all riding it at Venice. I mean Santa Monica. When I
Cause
went.
you don't even feel tired really.
You don't.
You just ride.
I'm trying to do that. Oh, there goes the plane. I can't see the plane, but I'm so close zoomed in on the plane. Oh, it's a big one right here. It's a big one. I like planes.
It's not stable, and the top is too heavy. It's gonna fall. Yeah. It's what it is.
Well, just face it this
Look
way.
at me, motherfucker. Look at me.
No, like what I'm saying is just like just since
When it's going that way, so you rather it circle around.
I ain't looking back.
It's because the way we can try to cook and then the way it's like a
no, but there's more.
The hell? Oh, that's a jet. Why is Kylie Jenner's last name Jenner but not Kardashian?
Because Kylie Jenner is the cousin of the Kardashians.
I didn't even know that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the ashes are hot.
Back in 03, had Gucci seats. I put G's on everything.
Lighter fluid poisoning. 100% IQ right
You're
there.
innovative, bro.
We just trying to figure out how to, you know,
and coming back.
cook this,
Kind of distance.
get this grill popping.
Pick it up now.
Is it hot?
Pick it up like that.
You can still cook.
To be continued, y'all. We just trying to figure this out. It's on the grill. That shit is low. Imagine how fun that is. Beautiful.
I ain't had fried bologna in a long time.
Bro, them things used to hit. Bologna.
Fried bologna?
Hey, I used to eat bolognas raw when I was little with bread.
What, is it in a bag?
Yeah, it's in the bag.
You scared of me.
Why would you do that?
I'm gonna get mad at you then.
If it was just raw chicken, I might have slapped you, bro. No cap. Raw meat to ice.
You do put chicken in the ice.
But the flow done got colder than Nova Scotia. I'm rolling my motion.
Hard to cook.
Alright, cook.
This might
That's
not
a
work.
test run.
40,000 on my first advance. Fucked up on my taxes, IRS got me your painted land. Crime.
Get it.
They had it in their little capsules. Yep.
Sorry. Why'd you bring in?
We gotta cook it, man.
Isn't that not a little squirt? Uncle L.
It's cooked.
Hold on.
Wait, it's not cooked. That was not cooked. Put that back in. Put that back in. Enjoy cooking. Life is good. What did Future say? Life's good. Life is good.
He said cheesecake.
Why would you put? It's already aluminum.
Man, it's summer, boys. It's summer. It's summer, y'all. We starting our summer fresh. We starting our summer right. We starting our summer right beside LAX. We cooking chicken. Do you feel the heat?
Cold.
I thought y'all didn't have chickens, bro. I was gonna be so confused.
Still got
All of your meats.
4K. 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 Get the beef. Get the beef. The beef. The beef. The beef. The beef.
I got some.
Get the beef. Get the beef. Get the beef. The beef. Steak. Bake. Steak. Today. Hey. Late. Wait. That's a steak? Wait, what's that? Wait, what happened?
No. Whoa.
Whoa. Wait. Hold on. Slow down.
It's a simulation.
What if I do that still in the pit?
In a cook. Interview?
What do you got to say to Future Tokyo?
You will be one big influencer. Millions of followers.
This nigga leave Future Tokyo like 30 minutes later, nigga.
Oh, it's like
What are you talking about?
What do you gotta say to past Tokyo?
Past Tokyo. Work smarter, not harder.
All right.
That's a good one. Future Jelani. Oh shoot. Actually, Future Josh. Yeah, it's on the pot. What do you gotta say to Future Josh?
Future Josh, it's okay, bruh. Take your time. Let it breathe.
Okay. What about past Josh?
Past Josh, congratulations, bro. You got this far. You be proud of me, I guess.
Okay. Future.
Future Jelani. You gotta say Future Jelani.
Hey, whatever you started crying.
You made it. Here. It's gonna be all right, bro. You did good. You did good. Future Josh. Oh, bro, you almost hit the grill. Yeah, I know. All right, Future Josh. You already know.
Past Tokyo. You made it far in life. You're going to be successful. Don't give up. Work harder. Future Toke.
Why you get so aggressive?
You're going to make it. Wait.
That's basically
That's okay.
Yeah.
Future Toke. People will remember your name all over the world as a black boy.
All right. I like it.
And that's it for Tokyo's news. But we finna go to the water. We're not gonna get in, but we gotta go to it.
Wow, so beautiful! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! That thing was cold!
Why is this so cold?
Oh my god! These squids be big as hell. Oh shoot!
Why the fuck would you do that, bro? You a hoe. You a camera, nigga.
Cool little prank, you know, while driving on.
Nigga, put your camera down, nigga.